Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to set up Google Calendar with Indify Notion, so let's get started. Tired of switching between your calendar and Notion? Let's simplify your workflow by embedding Google Calendar directly into Notion using Indify. First, head over to Indify and select the Google Calendar embed option. Sign in with your Google account, the one linked to the calendar you want to use, and grant the requested permissions. Next, customize your calendar's appearance. Choose a light or dark theme, select the default view month, week, or day, and pick which calendars to display if you have multiple. Once it looks right, copy the generated Indify URL. Now, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want your calendar. Type embed and select the embed option. Paste the Indify URL and hit embed. Your Google Calendar will load directly in Notion, where you can resize and reposition it to fit your layout perfectly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.